Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is that Deep Learning Ensemble with the Data Resampling for the Credit Card Fraud Detection. This is abstract. In the current digital economy, credit cards are indispensable, and as their use has increased dramatically in recent years, credit card theft has also increased in the year. ML algorithm technique have been applied to identification of the credit card. Nevertheless, credit card holders' dynamic shopping habits and the issue of the class imbalance have made it challenging for the ML classifiers to operate at their best. This paper's main goal is to find the credit card is safe or not. For this, we use the credit card dataset with the features like time delay for the transactions and amount debicted with the unwanted reason. Take the dataset and preprocess it by the handling missing values and label encoding. Data splitting is done with the ratio of 8:2 and apply the ML algorithms like RF, DT, SVM and Logistic regression and KN. By applying this algorithm, get the prediction for the credit card fraud detection and also finally get the performance analysis for each and every algorithm, which one is perfectly suitable for the credit card analysis, and also finally result will be accuracy and confusion matrix for the credit card analysis. This is our objective, to design a credit card fraud detection with good accuracy, to utilize the ML algorithm for the more accuracy, enhance our project to minimize the time. This is a flow diagram. From the data set, we have to import the data and pre-processing by the handling missing values and label encoding. Here is the feature extraction. We have to extract the relevant features for the classification. Apply the ML algorithms with the DT, SVM and then KNN or likewise, and then dump it and load it and in the form of pickle format, and then prediction whether it is have a attack or non-attack, and then performance analysis, accuracy, confusion matrix and classification report. This is the system architecture. From the data set, data with pre-processing, split the data, extract the features, classification, apply the classification using the ML algorithms, prediction, performance analysis is accuracy, confusion matrix and classification report. Case diagram. From the user, first want to select the data, pre-process and splitting, extract the feature and classification is done in the system. Here diagram. Start and load data set, data selection, data pre-processing, data splitting and extract the features, classification using the ML algorithms, performance analysis. This is a sequence diagram. From the start point, we have the 4 sequences: pre-processing, classification and performance analysis. In the start point, we have to select the data and load the data, and pre-process. In the pre-processing, we have to apply the ML handling missing values and label encoder. In the classification, we have to split up the ML algorithms like DT, SVM or likewise. Performance analysis, we have to find the accuracy and then confusion matrix, classification report for the all data set. After executing our code, our website will deploy like this. First one is the data collection. Here data collection is represented what the data set we used. This is the data set what we are used, and this is our data the shape, and this is the data description and distribution of classes. It has the fraud cases in this 56 and then valid cases is 28,425, and then train and test size. In this we have to split the data set for test our fraud detection as well as the normal. So we have to split the data, train, test, and then extract the features by some techniques. Here we extract the features by using the extra tree and the random forest. This is a feature extraction. Feature extraction according to the classification, and then model compiling. We have to choose the model which one is the best one. Here first one is the random forest. This one is the accuracy. This is a confusion matrix, and confusion matrix in the C1 library.